Hello everyone, so what we're going to be doing today is expanding brackets, and there is a golden rule for expanding brackets and it's really simple. Every term in bracket 1 must multiply every term in bracket 2. Okay, and how we're going to do that today is a process called rainbows. I'm just going to be doing it by example. So we have first bracket is going to be 3x plus 2, and our next bracket is going to be x minus 6. Now, I just want to be clear on what the terms are here. So we have 4 terms in these brackets. We've got the first term being 3x, second term is plus 2, third term is x, fourth term is minus 6. So first thing you want to do is one rainbow at a time. And answer it. What do I mean by that? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a rainbow from 3x to x, and I'm going to do a wee multiply sign just to show me that I'm multiplying this. And 3x times x is 3x squared. So you see, I draw the rainbow in and then I immediately do that sum. This means I'm not going to get confused with a whole load of rainbows and not sure whether I've done the first one or not sure whether I've done this one or etc. So you want to do your second rainbow and again answer that. Now be careful when you've got signs which are negative. So this is 3x times minus 6 and that is minus 18x. I'm going to do my third rainbow. That's going from plus 2 to x. Again, I'm doing a multiplying sign to show me that I am multiplying this. So that's a plus 2x, and finish it off by doing plus 2 times minus 6, and that is minus 12. We are not yet finished because what we need to do is collect like terms. When I do collecting like terms, I like to do different styles of underlines to show things that I can collect together. So I've got 3x squared, I'll give that a big wave. Now this is minus 18x. I'm going to include the minus 18 in my underlining to show where I'm starting in this problem. That is a plus 2x. I'm also including that plus 2, and because it's an x, they both get the same style of underlining. And the minus 12 is just on its own. So I've got 3x squared. There's no other lines like that, so that can just come down. And I can write that in. Now, I want to do minus 18 plus 2, and that is minus 16x. And then the minus 12, there's no other straight line, so I can just put that straight under. And that is an example of using rainbows to expand brackets. Now, in National 5, you'll also have the following situation. If I can find that. It's a different colour as well, just to show the difference. So we're going to be doing x plus 6, x squared minus 4x plus 3. And again, the same rule applies as before. Every single term in the first bracket must multiply every single term in the second bracket. So I'm going to start by doing rainbow 1. That's going from x to x squared. I'm going to put a multiply sign in there, and that is going to be x cubed. I'm going from my x to my minus 4x. Again, I'm multiplying that. That is minus 4x squared. And I'm going to go from x plus 3, and that's plus 3x. Now I'm going to multiply all the terms in this bracket by the plus 6. So that's plus 6 times x squared. That is plus 6x squared. I'm going to go from the plus 6 to the minus 4, again multiplying that, so that's minus 24x. And I'm going from this minus 6 and going all the way to the 3. 6 times 3 is 18. Again, I'm now going to collect my like terms. Now this one's slightly harder than collecting like terms because I need to be careful that I've included everything. So my x cubed, I'm going to give the swirl. My squared terms are going to have zigzags. I've included the sign before the number. That's really important. Here's another x squared term, including that plus sign before the 6. my x's, again including those signs, and 18 I'll just leave blank. Okay, x cubed, is there any others? No, there isn't. I can just bring that down, that's x cubed. I've got -4 plus 6, so that is a plus 2x squared. I've got +3 minus 24, that is minus 21x, and I have a plus 18 at the end. Hope that was a useful video for you. Thanks, everyone.